guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm going to do another pick a card reading about how your person is feeling right now and what are their energies, what are their current energies we will see, and I will also take out some messages from your person, handwritten messages, and also we will see the alphabets of the person's name. Okay, so before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers. Whoever is new to my channel, welcome, and whoever are continuously supporting my channel, thanks a lot. My heartfelt thanks to you. Okay, so sorry for the delay, friends. Actually, I wanted to do the reading as soon as possible, but I was caught up into some other work, so I couldn't do it. Then that's all. If you want any different kinds of reading, please mention in the comment box. And if my readings are resonating with you, please comment in the comment box. I love to read all your comments, and I'll be waiting for your comments. Okay, then if you want personal reading, you can check my details in the description. Then you can contact me and I'll give all my details, so then we can proceed ahead with the reading. And that's all. One more thing is, this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with everybody. Please note that. Okay, whatever resonates with you, please keep it, and whatever is not for you, leave it. Okay, let's start the reading. As usual, we have three piles here. Pile number 1, this is green and blue heart. Pile number 2, red heart. Pile number 3, this yellow heart. So whichever you are connected to intuitively, you can select the card, select the pile, and we will proceed ahead. If you need more time, you can pause the video and select the pile, or you can meditate and choose one of the pile, whichever you are connected to. Okay, that's all. So let's start the reading with pile number 1, this blue and green heart. Let's say what your person is feeling, what your person is thinking right now. We will see. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Raphael, please guide us, please bless us, please give us some guidance. What is this person feeling and thinking about them? I'll pull 3 cards from Sacred Indian Tarot. I'll pull 3 cards from Rider-Waite Tarot deck. Then we will see. Archangels, spirit guides, please help us, please guide us, give us some clarity. What is happening in this connection? How this person is feeling right now? What are their current energies? Please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance. What is happening in this connection? How this person is feeling? Okay, so these are all the cards I have, and bottom of the deck, King of Swords. Okay, so bottom of the deck gives us a lot of details that right now what is your person is up to. So this person is feeling little anxious, and anxious in the sense he wants to communicate, he wants to say something. He's on his power right now. He's sitting on the throne and he's very strong, stubborn, but this person definitely is feeling impatient. He want to take some action, but he's not able to take. So he's ready to take action actually right now. He's waiting, he's sitting and waiting for the right time. Let's flip the cards and see. Okay, we have the Fool, the Sun, the High Priestess. Then we have 10 of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, and the Moon. Okay, so right combinations, friends. So right now I can see that first of all, let me tell you the signs. So this person might be strongly, I feel, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. or any fixed signs like Taurus, then we will have Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius. Okay, Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius. These all the four signs are the fixed signs. Okay, so this person is right now what he's feeling. He wants to like as I said, whole energy. It shows that he want to take some action. The full meaning, taking leap of faith. So this person feels that there are some hidden things in this connection. This connection is not clear for him. So what you are thinking, what you are feeling, this person is not clear actually. So this person want to have a happiness with you. The Sun card means happiness, and he wants to have the luck and fortune in this connection. He want to do that. And the Fool means he want to take some action without thinking what will happen in the future, because obviously this person is not sure. The High Priestess means it is a Virgo card, and this person highly feels that this connection is divinely guided, and also this person is a very intellectual person, spiritual person, but at the same time he is introvert, and this person hides feelings. Actually, this person will not express the feelings so clearly to you, and this person has a problem with communication actually. So the whatever this person feels, he is not able to express to you. So that is the main blockage of this connection. So I can also feel that this person is not talking to you right now, because King of Swords also is there, and also I feel that this person is a divorcee or a single father, single mother. Okay, maximum things it is showing as a masculine energy. So this person, whomever you are dealing with, this person might be a divorcee or separated, or a single mother or a father. So you are dealing with. For you, 10 is a very prominent number. I can definitely see 10 is a prominent number, and also I can see 19, 2, then I can see 18. So 18, 19, then I can see number 2 and 10. These are all the numbers. They are prominent for you. Maybe you and your person may meet in the month of October, because 10th month is October. Because I can feel that this person is not able to share his feelings, and deception card is there. That Moon card means hiding the feelings, and also he has some very powerful person is there in his life. Okay, maybe I feel that his mother or grandmother or somebody very dominating lady is there in his life. So he is fearful of them actually. So whether they will accept this connection or not, whether they will approve this connection. So this person is very very strong. Moon card means it is a mother card actually. So some issues with the mother. So maybe a caste problem is there, or cultural difference is there, or a money problem, financial problem. So this person is a little bit hesitant because of his mother. Okay, that is the reason he is not able to move ahead. Okay, then but definitely this person wants 10 of Pentacles, and he wants a family with you. And I can see that this person right now, he is dealing with his family. I can see with this card. So this person is having some time with me time with the family. Like he might have the pets, and some old person also is there at home. Then children are there. That means he is spending time with his family. Okay, not his family in the sense, not like wife or anybody else. Maybe a mother, then brothers, all his own family. So this person might be right now spending time with his family, but at the same time he wants to take the leap of faith and come towards you. And at the same time this person is waiting for the right time also to come towards you. Maybe because of this corona, then COVID, then all the pandemic, this person is waiting when this will get over, when I can meet my person. This person is feeling, and this person sees you as the sun. Okay, so this person sees you right now, he feels as you are their brightness, you are the sun of for their life, you are the light for their life. So they are very very positive. Actually, I can see lot of positive feelings from this person. Actually, right now this person is very very positive, and he want to take action also. Even both action cards, king of swords also and the fool also, this person want to take action, but he is waiting for the right time. And ten of pentacles means this is a very strong what do you say, strong grounded energy. So this person is very very when it comes to your connection, this person is very very strong feelings this person is having towards you, and they are deep feelings, so they are long lasting. This person want a long term relationship with you. So definitely maybe he's thinking, because sun card is there, maybe definitely this person is looking for a marriage or engagement, something traditional actually. So this even this card also, you can see this is something traditional he wants, like family, then first marriage, engagement, marriage, family, children, then pets, everything. He wants to do everything one by one, step by step, and he is planning also according to that. Okay, so right now his feelings are very very good, and he is about to take action, and I am sure that this person will take action in the month of October. Maybe this person will come and meet you, or maybe he will take you to his home to meet parents. But he's definitely he's thinking about his mother, whether she will agree for this connection or not. But this person want to take a leap of faith. The fool card, he wants to take action, because he's not thinking about future, what will happen in the future. He's not sure, but definitely he want to take some action, and he wants to convince his mother, and he also have so many secrets that he wants to tell you. Okay, this person want to communicate with you, he want to tell everything whatever he's feeling right now. So this person want to tell you, express his feelings, then he wants to take you to his family. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 1. Let's see his messages. Okay, that I told you already, this person is very very like anxious, curious, or what do you say, he's not able to stay. That's why all the messages also falling down. This person want to communicate with you. So first message is, I acted like it wasn't a big deal when it is really was breaking my heart. Okay, so this is a heartbreak for him. He is acting like nothing happened, but definitely this is a heartbreak for him. So next card, wishing you were with me right now. So this person is missing you very badly. This person is saying that wishing you were with me right now. So he's missing you every moment of his life. I don't know how to fix this. So he's definitely afraid something happened in the past, and you both are not talking to each other. So definitely this person is fearful that I don't know how to fix this issue between us. So something is really very strong on his mind. So he's thinking how to fix this. Let's see the initials. Okay, I got some letters for you. I will display. O, T, H, C, G, L, Q, and Y. Okay, so these letters might be his first name or last name or middle name, anything, any where this letter might come. So if it if any letter is there in your person's name, then that will be, this pile will be for you. If at all it is not resonated, you can check my other you can check the other piles also. If none of the piles are matching, then you can check other readings also. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 1. Hope you like this reading. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends, and see you in the next reading. Until then, bye. Now let's move to pile number 2. So whoever chose this red color heart, this reading is for them. Let's see what your person thinks right now. What are their current feelings and energies? Let's see. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please guide us. Please give us some guidance. What is this person feeling and thinking right now? What are their current feelings? Whoever chose pile number 2, what are their current feelings? Whoever chose pile number 2, what are their current feelings? Please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. Okay, let's pull from Rider Waite Tarot deck. Archangel, spirit guides, please guide us, please give us some guidance. What is this person feeling right now? What is this person's current energies? What this person is feeling right now? Please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance. Okay. Please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance. What this person is feeling right now. I don't want so many cards. One card threw away. Okay, let's see what your person is doing, what your person is feeling right now. We will see. Bottom of the deck we have 10 of Pentacles. Okay, this is the main energy. Actually, this person is wants to have a long-term commitment with you, long-term relationship with you. And this person, there is no romance here or no love here, but it is kind of, this person is very wealthy, and this person want to have a long-term relationship and have a legacy with you, have children with you. So this is a family card actually, and this person is very well off, very rich and abundant, and this person want to share everything with you. Okay, there is no lust or love or romance, anything like that. I mean, it will be there eventually, but right now this person is thinking and planning about how to achieve you, how to marry you. And there is one more side of this card is be careful that this person might be already married, and this person might be having children or a family, and this person is not willing to leave them for you. Okay, that is one of the negative side of this card. So this person might be he's very strong, his religious tradition, he follows tradition, he wants to convince his family, and he wants to be with their family. So he is completely attached with the family, and he has some responsibilities, some morals. So this person is like family man, family oriented person. So please check, I mean, if the person is already married, then definitely this person will not leave his wife or husband for you. But this person want to have a long-term relationship with you. That is for some of you. Okay, but others who are the person is single and you are single, definitely this person want to have a strong relationship with you, long-term relationship, and he want to have family, children, legacy. He wants to have a legacy with you. Then this is a very positive completion card actually. Now let's see what we got in this. We have Hanged Man, we have Judgment, we have Star card. Okay, then Six of Wands, Ace of Swords, and the Hermit. Okay, so strongly I can feel that your person might be Aquarius or Virgo, and we have also here Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and also Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so this person is strong earth signs. I can feel overall, I can feel strong earth signs. So this person is feeling like stuck right now. He's not able to take any decision, any action. This person is feeling hanged actually. So no hopes, no positive feelings. So this person is like stuck wherever he is, stay put, like that it is. but this person want to have a reconciliation and judgment. Judgment means it is a reconciliation card, so he want to reconcile with you. If at all you have some arguments or differences, you both are not talking to each other, you both have separated, so this person want to communicate with you, this person want to have a reconciliation with you. So he is having very positive feelings, and also this person is looking at you like a star. Okay, so he feels that you are a celebrity, you are very beautiful or handsome. If your female is watching, then he looks at you like beautiful. Okay, then he's having he's feeling that there is a bright future ahead with you. So this person feels the brightness wherever you are, that light and the brightness will be there. He is feeling that you can bring the light in his life. Okay, so right now he is feeling stuck and he is not able to do anything. And Six of Wands means he is very much passionate towards you, and also he want to have victory in this connection. He want to come and propose you, so everything he wants to do in a traditional way. This is kind of an engagement card. Okay, so one more thing I want to say, that number 6, 1 and 9, then 17, 20, these numbers might be important for you. You or your person might have met on that day, or your birthdays maybe in that. So these are the numbers prominent for you. Even the 10, number 10 also is prominent for you. So this person want to have a victory in this connection. He want to have a new start, okay, new beginning in this connection. So he is feeling that we should start again, all over again. And this person want to propose you for the engagement. Then he wants to start the new phase of this connection. And also definitely right now this person is retreating, so he's not talking to you. It doesn't mean that he is not thinking about you. This person definitely is thinking the about this connection, and this person definitely is thinking like, what can I do in this connection, so what I want actually, so why I'm feeling like this. So he is reflecting on his own, and he is looking for light. He is looking for clarity. So what clarity I can get, what I want from this connection, or what the other person is looking at this connection. But this person is definitely nowhere you can see cups card. Okay, so this person, one way it is good and one way it is a little negative. This person is not romantic person, definitely I can say, but this person is passionate, and he's very strongly grounded to the earth. Okay, so pentacles means this person's feelings are very deep and grounded to earth. So this person is having very deep feelings for you, but it is not like love or lust or anything. But this person is definitely want to have future with you. That is what he's thinking and planning right now. So reconciliation card is there, then engagement card is there, then new beginning card is there. Okay, so definitely this connection is moving ahead. There is no doubt about it. So very soon you might meet this person also, and this person want to propose for the engagement. This person is not that kind of a person to say, okay, I love you, let's date, let's go out, let's party. Not that kind of a person. This person is very traditional and follows his family a lot. Okay, so whatever the family says, this person want to follow that. He is this person also. This person might be for some people he might be divorced or single mother or a father. As I told you, this is a family card. So this person is having a family. Maybe this person is now spending time with old people, old person in their home, with children, with animals. Okay, so this person is right now enjoying with family, not enjoying, actually spending time with family. Okay, so that's all I can see here. Let's see some messages from your person. Whoever chose the pile number 2, messages from your person. Let's see what your person is feeling and thinking. Okay, I have 3 cards here. Okay, this person is saying, I wonder if you are happy without me. So this person is definitely feeling and he has a doubt also whether you're happy without him or not. Okay, this person is saying this distance has been killing me. This distance has been killing me. That means this person is not near to you. This person is far away from you. Maybe for some of you, this will resonate. This person is far away from you. And I know I messed up everything. So this person knows that he messed up everything. Something might have happened in between you. Maybe you came to know about this, his family, or any third party relationship, or this person is divorced or having children. So he's saying that I know I messed up everything. Maybe this person didn't tell you before that he's married, or this person is having a family. Okay, so he knows that he messed up. Okay, let's see what are the initials. Let's see. So I have so many alphabets here. So let's see. So I have D here. I have M. I have N. We have L, O, X, E, P, V, B, and T. Okay, for some of you maybe this person is your ex, that he wants to come back. Okay, so I don't know, somehow I felt that. Okay, so take it as it resonates, and see whether these alphabets are there in your person's first name, last name, or middle name. So anywhere, if it is resonating, please take this. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell symbol to know more notifications. So let's move on to pile number 3. Whoever chose this yellow heart, this reading is for them. Let's see. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Uriel, Archangels and Spirit Guides, please guide us. Give us some clarity. Please give us some clarity. What is happening in this connection? How this person is feeling and thinking about them. How this person is feeling, thinking about them. What are their current energies? Whoever chose pile number 3, what are their person's current energies? Let's see. What are their person's current energies? What are their person's current energies? Please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. What are their person's energies right now? What are they feeling? What are they thinking? What are they thinking? One more. What are they thinking and feeling right now? Okay, we have 3 cards here from Indian Tarot deck. Then we will see from Rider-Waite Tarot deck. Okay, why these cards are jumping here? So that means your person is very, very anxious to meet you or missing you a lot. Cards are falling. So what is this person feeling? What is pile number 3's person is thinking and feeling right now? What are their current energies? Please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance. I want only 3 cards, please, angels. Please give us only 3 cards. I don't want many cards. I want only 3 cards, please. Give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance. One last shuffle. Okay, let me take it. Now we have bottom of the deck, 9 of Swords. Okay, So now at the moment, this person is not in a right energy. This person is feeling very lonely, crying, not sleeping, waking up in the night, and he's crying a lot. And maybe this person is having some health issues also. So this card, Nine of Swords, represents that this person is not in a right condition. Maybe anxiety, depression, or missing you. So this person is definitely is missing you and crying at night, not able to sleep. Then maybe looking at your pictures, he's feeling very painful and very much in sadness and sorrow. Okay, that is the current energy of this person. This bottom of the deck says everything about the condition of your person. So this is what is happening in this person's life. Okay, the Judgment, reconciliation, High Priestess, the Moon. See, I missed out a moon in this. Okay, moon came twice when I'm shuffling this Rider-Waite tarot deck. I did not take it because I thought there are too many cards. But now the moon came here. See, strongly it is you are dealing with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I can see Virgo here. Then I can see Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. And he see here again Four of Swords. Then marriage card, Four of Wands, then the Strength card. So you might be dealing with Leo, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and the moon means the Pisces card. Okay, then High Priestess, Virgo, Judgment card, Taurus, Aquarius, then Leo, and Scorpio. Okay, so you are dealing, your person might be any one of these, or you are any one of the signs. Okay, so my eyes are gone to this. Maybe this person is looking at you as a twin flame. He knows that you both are twin flame and he want to have marriage in this connection. He want to celebrate with you. So this person is planning for marriage right now. And this person, maybe something happened between you, some deception happened. The moon card says that some deception happened, and some secrets are there in this connection where this person is not clear what is happening. The moon card also says that mother issues are there with this person, maybe childhood issues, or this his mother is not accepting this connection. So this person definitely have a blockage in this connection because of his mother or somebody. Moon card is especially mother card actually. The High Priestess means that somebody older to him, some powerful lady is there in his life who is controlling his life, his or her life. Okay, so they are not accepting this connection. Maybe some caste issue, culture issue, or money issue, or status issue, something is there in this connection. So that is the reason you both are not talking right now. You both are separated. So this person is crying, feeling lonely, missing you. So this person is having very, very sad feelings. See, you can see this Four of Swords. So this person is not able to move anywhere. This person is stuck and he's praying for you. You can see in this card his both hands are folded and he is looking at the three. So he knows that these three swords are the three problems in the connection. Okay, this person is praying for you. He is hiding one sword under the bed. That means there is some secret in his life and he is not revealing it to you right now. So till now this person is not open. High Priestess also is there. That means this person is not telling you. Something is hidden in his life. Okay, something is hidden from you. This person is not telling. Maybe because of that you both got separated. Maybe you came to know about that secret, and maybe because of that you both broke up. Now you both are not in communication. So this person is praying for the reconciliation. See, Judgment and this Four of Swords came together. That means that this person want to have reconciliation, reconnection, reunion of this connection. So this person is praying, maybe trying to manifest you back. This person wants marriage with you, and he sees that you are twin flame or soulmate. Even both of that you can see infinity symbol in the Strength card, Leo card, and this person is looking for marriage in this connection, but his mother is not agreeing for this, and also this person is not taking very brave step because he also have some secret in his life. Okay, So that is what I can see right now. He's feeling like that, but definitely he has a potential and he has a wish to marry you. Right now he's feeling like that. He wants to marry you and he wants to be with you. He is keeping up the strength, and he's also even though all the burdens are there, all the problems are there, but still this person is keeping up his strength and he's standing strong, and he's not showing his weakness to anybody. He's still having some hope, some strength is there in this connection. This person is very hopeful and positive in this connection. Okay, he wants to achieve some success in this connection. Let's see what are their messages for you. Pile number 3. What are your person's messages for you? Pile number 3. Let's see what are this person's messages for you. What are this person's messages for you? So I got 4 already. So many cards are jumping, so this person want to communicate with you very badly, okay, because cards are falling like anything. Okay, so this person is feeling, I miss you every moment of my life. So this person is saying, I miss you every moment of my life. This person, I told you, no, he's crying, he's very sad, he's missing you. So the same thing came out. I was too much in my head because of the some secret is there in his life. This person is too much into his head. He was not coming towards you to communicate because he is feeling afraid. He's getting scared of you. I mean, how you will react, fear of rejection. Okay, so I couldn't let you get close to me because of the problem is there in this connection. So he didn't let you come near to him. Okay, he knows that you love him, but he's keep on ignoring or avoiding you. Thank you for the warm feelings you gave me. So he's this person is feeling and thinking the warm feelings that you gave to him when you were both were together, or when you were having a very nice time together. Okay, let's see what are the alphabets. I have some alphabets here. E, Y, S, then U, R, C, I, W, K, okay, B. So these alphabets might come in your person's first name, middle name, last name. So you all can see the alphabets clearly. So you just check whatever resonates, you keep it, then rest of them you leave it. Okay. So these are all the alphabets I have. Hope you like my reading. If it resonated, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. If your friends need any kind of guidance or reading, please share with your friend group also. Press the bell symbol to get more notifications. Whenever I post a new video, you can see it immediately. Okay, so press the bell symbol. Thank you once again, all of you. See you in the next reading. Until then, bye.